What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, this is a going vegetarian for beginners guide. I'm just going to give you guys 3 tips on just giving you guys advice on what I did on going vegetarian. I've been plant-based for almost 4 years now. This is just going to be giving you guys 3 tips on like what I suggest before you can work your way up to like vegan, plant, like that kind of level. I just want to, because there's levels to this, but the first level is just going vegetarian. So I decided, why not make a video about it? So let's get started. Okay, so the first tip that I suggest is know why you're doing it. Have your own personal reason why you are deciding to not eat meat anymore. It has to be your own personal reason, not anyone else. Don't do it because, oh, so-and-so's doing it, or, oh, it's a trend right now. No, because then you will not succeed. You will fail. I promise you. Have your own reason. Set with yourself. Know why you're doing it, figure out why you want to do it, because that will help you along your journey to last long. Okay, so tip number 2, research. I know some of you guys have probably watched videos on this. You probably already heard it before, people saying research. It's true, you guys, you have to do your research. Continue to watch videos, hear other people's stories, other people's journeys, look it up on the internet. When I say research, I mean know what other kind of, so don't trade in your meat toxins in for plant-based toxin. You know what I'm saying? Because just because you're no longer eating meat doesn't mean, oh, I'm gonna eat these veggie patties that are filled with lots of soy. Now, I understand, like, starting off, you're most likely going to eat like that. But then, like I said, that's when you continue to do your own research. So when you grow and continue to keep growing, you'll learn about things like that, Be more conscious of the ingredients labels and look out for if it has a lot of soy in it or a lot of yeast in it, because too much soy is not good, okay? That is too much estrogen, okay? And that can lead to other problems down the line. So definitely research, look it up on the internet, continue to watch stories, get as much knowledge as you can about living plant-based or vegetarian, whatever, whichever, but right now we're sticking on vegetarian strictly. So, baby steps to this. So, because I've been doing it for a while, so I'm, as far as like dairy and all that, no, I do coconut milk, things like that. Like I said, I'm big on reading the ingredients label, for watching out for too much soy, but baby steps. Okay, so lastly, tip number 3, plan. You have to plan your life, okay? Because like when I started and I was going vegetarian, I did all that, I had my personal reasons why, I researched, and then number 3 came and I didn't plan. When I say plan, I mean plan your meals, okay? Because like for me, I was like a week in, and like at the end of the week, I was like, oh shoot, I was like, oh, what am I going to eat? And then a part of me was like, oh, I don't know, like maybe I should go back to eating meat. But then I was like, after you've done it, I know for some people, it may not be as easy, but like for me, from after doing it for a week, the thought of going back to eating meat made me feel bad. You know what I mean? Like it made me feel some type of way. Like I was able to go a whole week without it. So the thought of, dang, like I feel like I fail, like if I'm gonna go back to this. So that's why I highly suggest plan your meals. That would definitely keep you on track. It'll let you know, it'll just keep you on track. And so yeah, so those are my 3 tips. Okay, so to end this video, like basically discipline. Discipline. Like seriously, it takes a lot of discipline to break any habit. So anything in life that you want takes discipline. So once you have your reason, once you've researched it and you planned, I promise you, you cannot fail. I promise you. So, and don't look at it as a trend. Like I said earlier, it's not a trend. This is a lifestyle, okay? A lifestyle, there's a difference. So you have to do different, think different, but you got this, okay? You got this. I know you can do it, okay? And then once you accomplish this, going without eating meat, then it'll build other things that you can do. You'll be like, discipline, what? Like, girl, like, because people like, when you tell them, I'm vegetarian or I'm plant-based, I live a plant-based lifestyle, it's a certain type of different way they look at you. Like, they know that, okay, this person is disciplined, this person is just on another level, you know what I'm saying? So you got this, you can do it. Yes, so if you can be disciplined into this, you can do anything. I promise. You can always go back to this part in your journey when it comes to another thing in life that you want to accomplish. If you, I can just, like with me, I did all my research and one day I was like, you know what? I'm just going to wake up. I'm just going to wake up tomorrow. That's how I live my life. I'm just going to wake up. And ever since then, I remember my last meal that I had, and that was that. All right, you guys, I hope this video was helpful. I hope that it has answered or given you some type of comfort, let you know that you can do this. I know you can. So if you like this video and want to see more videos like this, leave a comment below to let me know that you guys want to see more videos like this. Also, let's chit chat, leave a comment, let's talk in the comment section. If you've been living a plant-based lifestyle and you've come across this video, and, give some advice, leave some of your advice. What were helpful for you? Also, if you're thinking about going vegetarian or living a plant-based lifestyle, also, interact, ask some questions and, I'll respond back. Or if anyone else is in a comment and they've been living a plant-based lifestyle and you have tips, let us know. Okay, you guys, so that concludes my video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a comment, subscribe, like, share. And definitely don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Malika Malaysia. Until then, I'll see you guys next time.